it went through.
Dona brasem ingalaga to get to him close on alle matabi that tell us that to tell my car I be going so hard but December big how did I cash I get back to the big if I crash I go like Ricky I need a bag keep tell us my top
yo. I swear this is the worst way to start a channel. So like I have this, so as you can see this is a self-made a DIY nyana safe. So the thing is that I have an emergency, but I can't open this thing. So the other day I went and bought this this mini mini saha. Yeah, so I went and bought this, but this thing like this thing, it doesn't work anymore because I tried, but like it doesn't work. So today I went to ShopRite again, but like with my last, like I think it was 25 rands in my card. So like I went and bought these. So it is 3 of them. Like hopefully they'll make it. So so I have an emergency. Like I told myself I wouldn't open this safe unless I have a serious emergency. And like right now I really need it, bro. I really need it. So I'm going to try and open the safe in front of you. I'm not even sure if these things will work, but I hope they will. I bought these for like $20. Yeah, $20. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to try and open this in front of you guys. I'm not even sure how much is in here, but like it's less than 1,000, or maybe it is more, or maybe I'm not sure because I just kept on putting it in money. Yeah, I think I have like, yeah, but let's find out. Hopefully you guys stay until the end. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to open this thing, but less talking and more working. So yeah, shit. Guys, I don't think it's going to work because like yeah, I think it's working. Like we're making progress. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're making progress. Let's get to this shit. Like nothing will keep me away from, like I have 3 of these. So like if this one fails, I'm going straight to the next one. So like so I think I have a new plan. I think I'm going to like open, instead of going for this, I think I'm going to go for this. Like take it in the middle, then peel it off like. Shit. I'm literally like sweating right now. Like, oh, fuck. You see, it might look like it ain't much, but I'm getting there. I need water. Make me sweat. Make me water. Hey, make me lose my mind. the shit, it just bent. So now I see why you need that thing in for it. Fuck. But we keep on moving. Never stop. Keep on going. Yo, I'm grinding on this thing like Johnny Sins. Only legends know that guy. That dude, Johnny Sins. He's a pilot, businessman, CEO. He's a doctor. He's a lot of things. A policeman, a gardener, like Johnny Sins. If you don't know Johnny Sins, like go ahead and go search. Go to Google and type Johnny Sins. Make sure you are alone though. Oh, so like I started this channel. I just started the channel. I don't even know what I'm going to do. So like you guys can give me like recommendations of like videos that you would like to see on this channel. So like I'm down to doing anything. Guys, I thought it was going to take like three what are these things? 3 of these, but I'm almost done. As you can see, like it's only this part that is left. The rest, like it is gone. Like I'm doing this. I'ma do break the bank. Still got nobody to bank. So let me just fast forward the video and stop talking now. I'm sweating right now. Like this thing is making me sweat. It's making me water. It's making me lose my breath. It's making me harder. I know the cash is making me harder. Like cash, money makes me horny. And I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. You see, it's only like a little nyana. I'm almost done. It went through. Like it went through. Like this thing is wow. What the fuck? Like I'm sweating right now. I don't know if you can. And electricity just came back, so I'm sweating right now. And I only speak English I haven't spoken English like for this long. It's open, guys. It's open. Like I'm spreading this thing all the way. The way. I don't even know where I get the strength to do this, but I think I got something. So yeah. Oh, you heard? Did you? Did you fuck me? It's a good sign. Like when you fiddling with something and it makes that sound. You heard that sound? That just know that you're almost there. Don't give up. Fuck. Nah, it's nothing. It's nothing. I'm okay. I'm good. I just need to open this. I'm good. But like if I had a grinder, it was going to be simple. Or maybe a hammer. A hammer. A hammer. A hammer. Hammer. I should get a hammer. Yeah, I'm struggling. And hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, share the video, like do whatever. You see guys, like I'm struggling. Like I really need money. So I really need money to make better content. And like as soon as I get to 1K subscribers, I'm going to give you, I'm sweating, I'm going to give one of my subscribers like 500 rands. Like I swear, I promise. Like ngiyafunga through nasi. Niguprasem. Like I swear on my father and mother and my unborn child. Hey, guys. Man, I see money. So like, you guys, if you guys guess, like you guys, what am I trying to say? Like, I want you guys to guess how much is in here. Then, if one of you guys gets it correctly, because like right now I'm broke, I'm going to send that person like, if you guess like within like the range, like the closest person will get 50 rands. Yeah, 50 rands. Yeah, that's something. That's a start. Remember, when we get to 1K subscribers, I'm going to give someone 500 bucks. So thank you for watching. This is Brasem signing out. Hope you subscribe. Even if you don't subscribe, just keep on watching my videos. Keep on sharing, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Like I'm getting